Well, hello everyone and welcome back. As you can see, this blade that I just made for my Milwaukee oscillator works awesome on this ABS pipe, and actually works very well on a lot of different various materials, which I am going to be showing you in a second. But as you can see, it just makes beautiful, beautiful cuts out of this ABS with ease, and not many tools can make such a beautiful design out of a round pipe like this. Now, before I show you all the stuff that it can cut, let me just show you how I made it. I just used 2 utility knife hook blades, as you can see here, and a old wood oscillating blade. Now, you just grind them down, and I just put one on one side and the other one on the other side, and just welded them together. That's all I did. And then, as you can see, this is the outcome. It's just not so pretty, but guess what? This does the job. Now, before I show you on all this material that I'm going to be cutting and showing you how well it works and how well it might not work on some of the stuff, I just want to let you know they actually make this blade. I didn't know this, but I found out they do make this blade, and they actually sell it probably different many stores, but Amazon carries them. They have a variety of selections, and I am going to be putting a link down below to different ones, different sizes for you guys. So if you guys are interested, you can just order them on Amazon. You don't really have to make them yourself unless you have a shop and a welder and some grinders. Heck, go ahead. You have some blades and some older wood blades that you want to throw away. You can make all sorts of different kind of blades for this oscillator. So let's get to it, guys. Let's do some cutting. Guys, this tool is actually awesome. I'm actually testing this. Some of these materials I'm actually testing for the first time. I can't believe how well this is working. Let's actually try it lead. everyone. Hopefully you enjoyed this because I totally did. This actually impressed me so much that I went and ordered a few more sets of these hook blades because I'm assuming they're gonna work better than what I made here at the shop. And this actually cuts so well that it's just amazing. I'm like, I have to get more. So for you guys, if you don't want to make this, I'm gonna put the link down below for different ones that you can get on Amazon. And they're actually, I believe they're all on Prime. So I'm gonna be probably getting them tomorrow. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this. I definitely did. And if you like this video, please subscribe. There's gonna be other videos like this. And it definitely would help the channel. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.